Yo, it's Lux from Server.pro and welcome to this tutorial in which I'm going to show you how to install and use the plugin InventoryFull Plus. This simple plugin basically notifies the player when their inventory is full. It has a lot of customization features but very lightweight, supporting up to 5 different notification types, which are sounds, titles, chat messages, action bar messages, and holograms. To install the plugin, head over to the plugin section, go over to the Spigot tab and type in InventoryFull Plus, just like so. Install the version that is compatible with your server and restart. Alternatively, you can download it from the plugin page and upload it into your plugins folder manually. I do like to mention that if you want to use the hologram notifications, please install the Holographic Displays plugin or the CMI plugin, otherwise they will not work. I'll link them both in the description. By default, every notification is enabled in the config. So when you fill up your inventory like I have here, and then try to pick up a new block that you've just broken, all of them show. Of course, it's possible to disable whichever one you like in the config. I'll show you how to do that in a second. If you want to disable these notifications for yourself only, type in /inventoryfull toggle. Using this GUI, you can either enable them or disable them. As you can see, if I try to pick up another item, it won't show all the messages since I've toggled it off. Please ensure that you give the player the right permissions for them to use this command. You can find all the permission nodes on the plugin page. Now let's go into the config and see what we can change. Locate it in the plugins folder, just here. And here at the top you can disable block breaking when your inventory is full. Then here you have the game mode and world blacklists. This means if you're in these game modes or if you're in these worlds, you won't get the notifications at all. This is the GUI setting when you toggle the notification on or off using a command. Lower are the actual notifications. You can toggle any of these and customize them however you like. And at the bottom you can customize the messages for this plugin as well. If you do not understand something, go to the plugin page and join the plugin support Discord. And apart from that, I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any plugin suggestions, leave them down in the comments below. And if you're having issues with anything, contact our support team. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.